everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're going to talk about
what is division?
part 1.
Yep.
Let's go start it. So division using groups. It has a lots of methods, but now we're going to talking about the group method. Let's see how we can do that. So there is a question. Lina, you want to read?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Emma has 8 oranges and she wants to share them equally between herself and her brother.
So she has 8 oranges. Now she needs to share with her brother. So how many oranges will each of them get? One more. So Emma and brother. 2 people.
Emma's brother.
So we have 2 people here and 8 oranges. So now how they can get equally?
3 more.
Yeah.
How they could get equally, but I do know that 4 plus 4 equals 8, so probably they get 4.
So you have to divide into 2 groups.
Yep.
Right? So in one group it will go
For Emma, the orange is Emma, like the color orange.
Yeah.
And then the blue is the brothers.
Yeah. So we know 4 plus 4 equal to 8, and it's equal. So
That's also 4 times 2.
2 groups. Yep. Next,
4
please.
times 2, that's 4 times. 2 times of 4.
So division symbols. Yeah.
So this is the division symbol.
So we see how we divide it into groups, but it has also symbol way. So what is the symbol way, Lina?
It's like a dot, then a line, then a dot.
Yeah. So it will go first the 8 oranges total numbers, and then divided by 2 people.
Yeah, this would be easier in box method. There's something called box method. I would explain what these are.
Okay.
Box method. Okay, here it is.
So here comes the box method now.
Okay, so that's there.
Yeah. So how can we do in the box method?
So I know how we could do it in box method. So what we need to do
So we have
is
8 oranges.
Yes.
And 2 people.
So 2, and then I know that the answer is 4 because 4 plus 4 equals 8. So this side, the left side, will be how many groups you want, and then the bottom will be how many is going like for each group.
Equal.
Yeah. So for each group.
The answer, right?
Yeah, the answer. That's the answer.
And the middle part.
So
will
since
be
it's 4, just wait. And since it's 4, we need to put 3 lines because it already has like some lines like 1, 2,
3, and then it will be 4 automatically.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then that's each.
Yeah, and if you count all those boxes, you will get 8.
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yeah, so
I'm 8. I can't read extra.
Yeah, so we learn group method, the symbol method, and the box method now. So division notation.
So this is notations means like the
Name for those.
Yeah, the name for the words. So actually, they have names. Like what the like this could be any number. This could be any number. This could be any number.
But
so then it should. But they all have a different name. It's really one of them. It's really hard to.
So let's see what we have named here.
Dividend
is called as
dividend.
Okay.
And then the answer
4 is called as quotient.
What?
Yeah. And then 2 is called
divisor.
As divisor. So
supervisor.
There are 3 parts we are reading now. Yeah. And more we will get also reminder, right? But right now we're only talking about 3 main important parts. Dividend, quotient, and divisor. Okay, let's go. Yeah, and what is it? Quotient means?
This is the answer.
So like 4 divided by 2?
You get after dividing. So imagine there was no answer.
Divisor, this is the number you are dividing by.
It's like deciding
how many groups you want.
Dividing how many groups you want.
Yeah.
There's no period.
That's okay. Next.
Okay.
So dividend. This is the number that you want to divide up. It's
Dividend is
like
called-
having a bunch of oranges.
No, but dividend is spelled wrong.
That's okay. So dividend is always a bigger number. Practicing division, even numbers. So let's have some practice. So more we practice, more we learn. So 2 divided by 2
I
will
can
be...
solve all of these.
Yeah, it's easy peasy for you.
I have a way to solve these.
How you did that?
I just put all the answers first.
So 6 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4, 10 divided by 2 is 5. It basically is like a 2 table,
No.
right? 20 divided by 2 is...
No. Stop.
You have something to say?
Just don't say it.
No, that's 11.
Oh, wrong.
See? 22 divided by 2 is 2. 11.
The way that I know how to do this is that
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
Yeah. And also it's a 2 tables, right? So if you say 2 times 1,
No,
2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And by the way, Frau Mercy said, she said, like, can you say that again? Like, no, like 2.
2 ones are 2?
Yeah,
2 twos are 4?
It's like the za part. Like we have a 2 times
tables video. You can go back and watch that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So that's good.
So then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, this is easy. 2 table is easy for you. Yeah.
And plus 1 table because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So
6, 7,
to
8,
have a
10,
division,
11,
you have to make sure that you know multiplication.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So practicing, and now in the...
So
we have...
show the highlighted division by group method.
So what will be the answer here, Lina?
Wait. So we're gonna find out that. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
What is the answer?
That's 9.
9. Right. You can put 18 there. 18 oranges.
And then remember how I said, what's 9 plus 9, Frau Mercy?
Yeah, 18.
Yes.
So now
9. Since there's 2 groups, it'll be 9 and 9, right?
Yes.
That equals 18. So 9 and 9.
So both of them get 9 and 9 oranges.
Show the highlighted division by box method.
Yeah, so you have done a group method.
Not box method. I really remember.
And symbol
box
method also you did, right? Like 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 2.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I know really well box method. So
box. So 2. Oh, you are master in that. What is the answer? Answer goes down. Yeah.
9.
Now
Then
you have
we need to put 8 lines, not 9, because then they would already be 9 spaces.
Yeah.
Wait, so like look, if I make a small box, if I add 2 lines, there's 1, 2, 3 boxes.
Actually, that's a 3 lines, right? So you have to minus 1 line.
Yeah. And then wait, how many? Oh yeah.
8.
Oh yeah, 8.
Okay, so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. So 18, right?
And then this all has 18.
Okay.
If you count it and pause the video.
Okay.
Because we're gonna do that.
You can practice more at home with your parents, right? With your guardians. Okay, so question is, how many groups of 2 can be made from 24 pencils? What will be the answer? 22, 12, or 14?
You guys didn't see anything.
So 24 pencils and 2 groups.
I know. I'll get the answer.
Yeah. What is it?
Oh, 12.
C. Yeah, 12. Just mark it.
C?
12. Yeah.
You said C. That's C. A, B, C.
Yeah, we're not talking about
It's
C.
12.
We are talking about 12 here. Go ahead.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's just one thing.
Yeah.
Answer
So
12. 12 groups of 2 can be made from 24 pencils.
Okay, next please. So quiz number 2. Question: what is half of 36? 20, 18, 15. What will
20.
be the half? 20 cannot be the answer because...
Oh no.
And 15 cannot be the answer. 18. Yeah. So 18 plus 18 makes 32. Yeah, 36. Sorry. Okay, next.
I just forgot.
Yeah,
Final
the
words. Conclusion.
Yeah, so what we learned today?
We learned about division by groups, division by box method, division
notation. Yeah, it's wrong.
Notation.
Okay, notation.
Notation.
So 3 important things we
Not
learned today.
notation, okay.
So yeah, you can practice at home and then keep watching Rina's Pretend.
In the next video, we will learn about long division. Oh yeah, there's a part 2. So that's long division. This is just called division.
Okay.
That's gonna be long division.
Okay. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.